Let's starting common Google Sheet terminology. Google Sheets uses some specialized terminology specific to spreadsheets and Google products. Let's get familiar with what these terms mean before we dive into the details of how to use Google Sheets. First, let's define the word spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a document in which data is arranged in a grid of rows and columns. Using a spreadsheet to organize information allows the data to be stored in a structured way and allows the data to be analyzed using calculations. In business environments, spreadsheets are often used to create documents like budget, timesheets, and expense reports. Charts and graphs can automatically be created from the data in spreadsheets as well. Now let's define the parts of the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is made of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Rows are typically labeled using numbers like 1 to 3 and columns are labeled with letters like A, B, C. Individual row column locations such as A3 or C2 are called cells. Each cell can store a unique instance of data. Each spreadsheet in Google Sheets can have multiple sheets. Each sheet is a single page in a spreadsheet file. Now let's talk about some of the terms that describes what you can do with Google Sheets. You can perform calculations with Google Sheet using formulas and functions. A formula in Google Sheets is a mathematical calculation that begins with an equal sign and is entered into the worksheet cell where you want the result of calculation to appear. A function is a preset formula in Google Sheets that tells the spreadsheet what calculation to perform. For example, the sum function adds together data in selected cells. Pivot tables are a tool used in Google Sheets that automatically organize and summarize information from a large amount of data on a spreadsheet without using formulas. QuickSum is a way of adding up the contents in a range of cells on the fly without adding a formula or function into the cell. You can find the average, the minimum value, the maximum value, and the count of the cells using QuickSum. Freezing the rows or columns means keeping an area of the sheet visible while you scroll through another area of the worksheet. For example, you may choose to freeze the top row of your sheet so you can see column headers while you scroll through the other rows of the sheet. Hiding rows, columns, and sheets in Google Sheets mean you are moving the row, column, or sheet from view without deleting it. This simplifies and protects the spreadsheet view. You can unhide hidden rows, columns, or sheets to restore the original view. You can sort data in a spreadsheet column or a range of cells. If you would like to change or customize the order of your data, for example, you might sort a column to put your data in a numerical or alphabetical order. You can filter your spreadsheet to display only the data that interests to you. For example, you may apply a filter to a budget spreadsheet to only show payments for a given month. In Google Sheet, collaborators are those individuals you are invited to view or edit your spreadsheet. With collaborators, you can share comments about your spreadsheet and also you can share comments about the spreadsheet. These comments are threaded into discussions that can be tracked over time. In Google Sheets, revision history is used as a way of seeing the changes that have been made to your spreadsheet by all collaborators. You can restore a previous version of your spreadsheet using the revision history pane.